Hey, future tycoon. Have you ever been sitting in the dark during a power cut, thinking someone must be making a fortune solving this problem? Yeah, you heard me. Ghana's 2026 budget just dropped, and it's basically a treasure map pointing straight to the energy sector. The government is not just fixing the lights, they're building a whole new energy empire. And they need private investors, people like you and me, to help. Today we're talking about how to turn Ghana's energy reset into your financial reset. Let's plug in. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. First, what's the big energy vibe? The government's main goal is resetting for growth, jobs, and economic transformation. Think of it like this. A country can't grow in the dark. Stable, affordable energy is the foundation for every other business. So the government is going all in. This means policy changes, big investments, and new opportunities are flooding into this sector. All right, let's get into the three biggest areas where your money could potentially grow. 1. Oil and gas, the comeback story. You might have heard that Ghana's oil production was going down. Well, the government is pumping the brakes on that decline hard. They've extended agreements with big oil companies and changed development plans to allow for new drilling. A combined $3.5 billion is expected to be invested in the Jubilee and OCTP oil fields. This isn't about you buying an oil rig. This is about the supporting industries. More oil activity means more business for local suppliers, providing food, logistics, and services to the oil camps, transport and logistics, moving people and equipment, tech and engineering firms offering specialized skills. It's a rising tide that lifts all boats. When big oil invests, it creates a ripple effect of smaller business opportunities. 2. Power and renewables, the smart money move. This is where things get really exciting for new investors. Renegotiated deals. The government just finished renegotiating contracts with power companies, saving the country over $250 million. This makes the whole sector more stable and profitable. Cheaper solar. They slashed the price of solar power from 18 cents to 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour. That's a massive drop. What's a kilowatt hour? It's just the unit you see on your electricity bill. A lower price means it's cheaper to produce solar energy. The opportunity. This makes solar farms and rooftop solar installations a much more attractive business. Think about selling solar power back to the national grid or providing power to factories. Private sector takeover, kinda. The government is officially opening up electricity distribution to private companies. They're looking for partners to manage parts of the grid. They want private experts to help collect bills and reduce losses. This is a huge contract opportunity for big companies and consortiums. 3. The future, gas, nuclear, and e-mobility. The budget isn't just about fixing today, it's about building for tomorrow. Gas is king. They've increased gas supply to power plants. Gas is a cheaper and cleaner fuel than the diesel we often use. This means more stable and affordable electricity for industries, which is good for everyone. LPG Promotion. The LPG Promotion program is about distributing 450,000 cookstoves to households. LPG is just cooking gas. This means more people will be buying gas, creating opportunities in the gas supply and cylinder distribution business. E-mobility is here. The Energy Commission has completed draft regulations for electric vehicle, EV, charging stations, and even built a solar-powered one in Accra. This is a brand new market. Think charging station franchises, EV maintenance workshops, or importing EV parts. It's a greenfield opportunity. Nuclear power? Seriously, yes. Ghana is seriously planning its first nuclear power plant. Site studies are done, and they're already training engineers. This is a long-term play, but it shows the commitment to big, stable energy. I am explaining the government's plans based on the 2026 budget statement. This is not financial advice. Always do your own deep research and consult with a qualified professional before investing a single CD. Phew. Okay, the government is building the runway. The question is, are you going to build the plane? The energy sector is complex, but the opportunities are real. From supporting oil and gas to building solar farms to opening the first EV charging station in your neighborhood, the future is being written right now. So I have to ask you, which of these energy opportunities sparks your interest the most? Is it the stability of oil and gas, the innovation in solar, or the futuristic vibe of EVs? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get a powerful discussion going. Don't just watch the future happen. Be part of it. Go and conquer.